And I'll finish on this, Alaska Hirlik. When you come down to choices, I met a gay man over the weekend, and we were just discussing about the referendum. And he just said to me, you know, it's going to cost 21 million euro to run these referenda and to run the referendum on gay marriage. He said that money could be so much better spent, in his opinion. He said, for example, if that money were to be used to provide free HIV testing to people who are homosexual, where there's an increase now in the numbers affected by HIV, it would be far better expenditure of money. And I'm just raising. I'm just raising.
You've exceeded your 1.5 minutes over time.
I'm raising it just, and I'll finish on this last here. I'm raising it in the context of government priorities, and I'm saying that while these referenda are being run, and I accept they're being supported, and there may be good reason for doing them, it's indicative of government, in my opinion, that's lost its way, and where the priorities for the Irish people are. I know there's ideology behind it. I know oftentimes minor parties may feel, as I said on the other one, a sop needs to be given to them in order to keep them happy in government.
Thank you very much.
But ultimately, if we don't start prioritising the real impacts on people out there, then I think the disconnect between people and their politicians will continue.
Thank you, Senator Collins. Minister.